Move and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Southwest Ranches local and long distance movers near me. For a smooth and hassle-free local moving process, you'll need to hire a professional to aid with your long-distance move to Southwest Ranches. When you choose a reliable moving company like 3 Movers, you don't have to worry too much, as we will ensure your move is a success. We have expert knowledge and many years of experience to ensure that everything goes according to what you have planned. You just need to sit back and enjoy the process, while we deal with everything regarding your moving process. 3 Movers is well versed in handling local moves and excels in long-distance relocations. So, if you think we only do local moves, think again. 3 Movers is the best moving company that you can hire for your move. We are ideal if you want a smooth move and ensure it's successful. Reach out to us now for Southwest Ranch's long-distance move. An advantage of hiring us for your move is that you'll pay for more than just a moving service. Your moving process would be so smooth and seamless that you'll even wonder if a company handled the move for you. At 3 Movers, we don't leave room for mistakes and make sure we carry out the move exactly how our customers would want it. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Southwest Ranches moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.